This is an explanation on how to connect your Yamaha P115 piano keyboard to your iPhone. First, you need a cable that goes from phone connector to the regular 3.5mm connector. This cable has two connectors. One is the microphone and one's the headset. This is what's going into the iPhone. And as you can tell, this has a TRRS split ring. Connect this to the microphone, and this goes to your iPhone, and with any recording app you should be able to get sound. First, you plug in the TRRS cable to your phone, and then you start the Pro movie recorder, and you select headset, and you can select whatever audio gain. And then once you say OK and you start playing, you can see that in the image you can see that the sound is showing up, so you can reduce the sound, and it's already recording the keys.